Hello friends, I'm Jeffrey Scott with Remax River City and welcome to 143 Willow Crescent Northwest here in Westridge Greens up in the West End. Beautiful 2.5-story condo townhouse with your own private ravine. This one's been renovated from top to bottom. Your main floor features a beautiful chef's kitchen. It's got a Viking commercial grade natural gas stovetop, a KitchenAid double oven system, really nice Samsung refrigerator, beautiful Bosch dishwasher, really nice tile backsplash, good countertops, custom-made kitchen craft cabinetry throughout. Your own dining room. The dining room overlooks the ravine, which is quite nice. Walks right out into a beautiful deck. It's got 2 natural gas lines, so you can do a barbecue and a heater out there. The main floor is completed with your living room, which has got a beautiful tile surround fireplace, which is wood burning. Your second floor features 2 bedrooms. The master bedroom is amazing. It overlooks the ravine, so you're up in the treetops. It's got a beautiful walk-through closet and then a beautiful ensuite spa. So it's got a steam bath with custom glasswork. It's got a sauna. Really nice little finish there. Completely renovated 4-piece bath on the second floor. Another good-sized bedroom and then a den. And the bedroom and den both have their own private balcony out that way. The third floor is the loft. It's been converted. It's got 14.5-foot ceilings. It's like a nice mountain chalet. There's a kitchenette up there, and it's a beautiful zen space. You've got your own private balcony overlooking the ravine, as well as your own personal park. It's hardwood flooring throughout. It's got tile flooring in the kitchen and the bathrooms, as I mentioned, renovated everywhere. This one's nicely located in the West End, just like I say, right on a ravine, minutes from the river valley. All amenities around here in Collingwood, the YMCA, good schools, excellent shopping, so don't miss out. Contact me directly at 780-716-6321 if you want any more information. Thank you so much.